Hello guys, I'm planning to create a video series of all my drones, and to begin with I'll start with my oldest drone, which has been with me for some time now. This is a custom made drone which I have created with most of the parts 3D printed, and I'm using DJI NAZA as a flight controller, and I'm flying with my FlySky TX. I have multiple drones. I'll slowly introduce all my drones to you guys, and later I'll also build a new drone which will be part of this series. So let's start and take this quad into the air. So I'm flying in a ground nearby my house, Astaka, and this, as I have told, is running on a DJI platform, and it's very stable. I can give you a close view of the quad, and just to give you a look and feel of the quad. See, this is the back of the quad, and you can see a light blinking. I'm just trying to be as close as to ground to show you the perspective. And now let's take it higher. Just to let you know, I'm recording the quad shots from my DJI Mavic Air, so we are flying both together. So the range of the quad is around 900 meters for sure. I've not tested it for its flight distance, but it's good enough to cover the whole ground. If you need to extend the quad, you have to upgrade the to TX as well as an RX running on the quad. So as you can see, it flies very stable, and it has GPS. So if you have seen the picture, the top part of the quad is a GPS. Let me bring close to you so that you can have a look. If you can see the GPS on the top, so that makes it very stable to fly. Yeah. Fire. It's amazing to fly. I mean, this is one quad you can fly for hours and hours. So it all depends on batteries. You have multiple batteries. So as I was saying, this is an amazing piece of hardware, and let me demonstrate some of its capabilities here. It flies very stable, as I have already said, and it can hold its position. More importantly, you can see it can hold its position. So what I can show you right now is that if I leave the controls as such, it will stay on its own place. See, I have left, I'm not touching the joysticks, still it's flying on the same place. That demonstrates that it has GPS and it's very stable, it can hold its position. Now let's take it up. Okay, I'm not sure if it's coming in the frame or not, but yeah, let me take it to some height. I'm sorry, I cannot move the GoPro, so for now you have to be with it. Let me take it down. Yeah, okay, I think it should be in frame now. So this can go up to a speed of around 50 kilometer per hour for sure, though I've not tested that as well, but looks to me. So it takes few seconds to cover the whole ground here in Nastaka. Let me bring it close. Okay, so okay, so yeah, well, the size and the form factor makes it promising and doesn't at least frighten me to come closer to this. And the flight uh, experience is amazing for this one. So okay, so now let me take you for a small trip of our ground Astaka, which is again amazing place to fly. And that condo in front, that's my house. Okay, so yeah, just taking you through the whole ground. It's a green, lush, well maintained ground in the heart of the city. that is Sheraton Hotel and Hotel Amara, and that is Celcom office. So yeah, this is an amazing place, and we love flying here. Okay, now we're going towards the KL view. That's the KL Telecom Malaysia Tower. Foreign. Okay, guys, just to give you an idea about my quads, this is a DJI Mavic here, a ready-made quad from Quad Giant DJI. Amazing piece of device. You can carry on your trips. If you have been following my video logs, then you know exactly this has a big role to play. But today, when you compare it in terms of flying and compared to what the drones I have made, I'll give you just feel, and you can better decide which one flies better. Okay, I'll just put it here. Like you said, the camera, I'm not sure the camera on that. That's the best thing. The reason I've been using this for. So let me record on both GoPro and my drone. Okay, so if you see, this could be a very this alarm you can hear is the distance sensor. I'm in the range, so it will try to give me warning. So these features are very good, which I'm going to incorporate in my drone. But if you compare flying fun, or if you are a quad guy, you'll surely love my quad more because it flies much better. It's very stable. This could be a very good video camera, but then again, if you are into flying, if you love making drones and flying, then if you not learn drones, then you have to choose mine. That flies much better. I love this quad a lot, and the reason of having this quad is not, it's very different because I have that quad, but I can't carry that quad to places because it looks, I mean, not weird, it looks very geeky or techy. So airport, I don't know how people will behave, especially customs and all. And my name is Khan, so I'm really scared carrying a drone with me. And I don't know if I can explain them what exactly I'm doing. They might interpret it wrong. That's why I bought this one. This is a 90,000 rupees drone, and the one I made is not more than 5,000 rupees. No, the choice is yours. So that's what. If you want to make things yourself, you can really cut the cost. Sorry, but the camera in this one is good. So I'm waiting. Still, we don't have those good cameras. Like I can put my GoPro on. I can put my GoPro on my quad and fly, but then again, it's bulky. This is very compact. You can carry to places and then fly. Just forget about what are you doing. It's more like a family thing. If I'm with my kid, I mostly fly this one. Okay, I will make a separate video on DJI Mavic here later. That will be part of my video series. But today, let's stuck to my quad. So that's it. That's all about what is there in my quad. I'll surely show when I do a video series on how to make these drones. I'll explain more about how I made this one as well. So thanks guys for watching my video. I'll leave you with some pictures and some stunning shots. By the way, I forgot to say this also has a camera mounted in the picture. You'll see that in front of the camera, which is SQ11 camera. Not the very good for video recording, but for FPV flying. So you can do FPV with this quad. By FPV you mean you can put a goggles in your eyes and you can see the video directly. People who are not aware about FPV, so you can actually use this quad as your eye camera, and you can actually fly by seeing actually on the first person view. So that makes this more amazing. So thanks guys. I'll leave you with some pictures and videos, and let's catch up with my second drone. I have around 6-7 to cover, so I'll quickly cover all of them in coming weeks. Thanks.